Hey guys, this is my Apple AirPod Pro 2nd generation carrying lanyards. It comes in a little 4-pack. You can see the black one right here, which I'm going to show you in just a second, along with a navy blue, a dusky pink, I'm not sure if you guys can see that with my background, and a light gray. Each of the lanyards has this little colored piece right here made of kind of like a little bit of a slightly bendable, maybe silicone or a soft plastic. It has this little piece right here that connects into the side of your AirPod Pro along with the lanyard itself, which seems like it's a pretty durable piece. It's not stretchy. It seems like a pretty durable piece right here. Can you guys see that? Pretty long. So it's simple, very simple to use. On the side of your case is that little hole right here. And so you're just gonna thread it through, which I did before this video. You see how they're just like this? And then I'm simply gonna take the small piece and thread the large piece through the small piece, just like this. And now I can take my AirPod to the gym, on a run, walking in my hand, hanging on my backpack, wherever you want. It helps to keep them like this. Now, another little thing that you can do with the pieces is you can thread it through the little silicone piece right here in the middle, just like I did. So let's say you're trying to hang it on like your belt loop. I personally have like a fit belt that goes around my waist when I'm running. You can just do that, thread it through, and now we can put it around anything by just simply putting it in through here and making a loop like that. These things are really great. You have a couple of color options, really easy to use. So if you're looking for an easy way to carry your AirPods, you'll want to add this to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.